You're not lazy, but your brain tells you that you are. You wake up and feel heavy. Your to-do list? Empty. Your goals? Still waiting. You scroll and scroll. And that voice in your head whispers, "What's wrong with me?" Let me tell you the truth. You're not lazy, you're mentally tired. There's a big difference. Laziness is a choice. Exhaustion is not. And right now, you are exhausted. The world around you is loud, too loud. Notifications, messages, pressure, guilt. Before you even get out of bed, your brain is already overwhelmed. It's not just tired from noise, it's tired from what you carry. Stress, expectations, the feeling that you must do more all the time. So when you can't focus, you blame yourself. But the truth is, you're not lazy. You're in survival mode. Your brain is fighting a silent war, and you don't even see it. You think something is wrong with you. You think others have it all figured out. You think you are broken, but it's not true. You're just drained. Your battery is empty, and the world keeps asking for more. Every ping, every alert, it's like a virus in your mind. You start each day already tired. Your body was never made for this much pressure. Your brain needs focus. But now it's stuck in endless distraction. And society? It tells you to work harder, to grind, like telling a drowning person to swim faster. They sell you energy drinks, meditation apps, productivity tools, but these don't fix the problem. They just cover it up. There's an old idea in Japanese wisdom, kyojutsu, seeing what is real and what is false. And here's what's false: that you're lazy, that you're not enough, that you must push harder. And here's what's real: you're tired. Not weak, not broken, just tired. Look at Viktor Frankl. He lost everything in a war camp. But he said, when we can't change the situation, we must change ourselves. He didn't say, push harder. He said, go deeper. Strength is not pushing until you collapse. Strength is knowing when to pause. Real discipline isn't pain. It's wisdom, it's rest, it's recovery. If you treat your exhaustion like laziness, you will burn out. You will lose your best tool, your mind. So here's how to begin healing. Step 1. Silence. 10 minutes. No phone, no task. Just sit. Just breathe. Feel what's inside. Don't run. Just notice. Step 2. One task. Not 5. Just one. Small wins build belief. Belief brings back energy. Energy rebuilds who you are. Step 3. Rest like a warrior. No screens, no noise. Sleep like your dreams depend on it. Because they do. Step 4. Forgive yourself. For falling behind. For breaking down. For needing time to heal. This is not failure. This is how you rise. No one claps for this part. The quiet nights, the slow comeback. But this is where your real strength grows. Not on stage, not in the spotlight, but in the moments when you choose to believe in yourself again. You are not lazy, you are just carrying too much. Now it's time. Put it down. Take your power back. One deep breath, one small step, one moment of courage. Your mind isn't broken, it's just tired. Give it what it needs, and watch what you become.